Okay, our goal is for you to do an absolute perfect push-up. We want multiple perfect push-ups. This is important for a lot of reasons, but we got to be able to control our own body weight because we're going to progress these pushes into push-ups with rotations and push-ups with steps. So this is a huge exercise, not just for our push pattern, but for core and body control as well. So if we can't do perfect push-ups where we can keep that body in a perfect straight line, then we're going to need to work on that so that we can build up to our perfect push-ups. So the way that we're going to do that, number one, is to find if we can hold just that top plank really well. And from there, we're going to work just on the way down. So this is what we will call an eccentric push-up. And we're going to make sure that we have perfect form all the way down. And then we can just kind of reset. Because it's a lot easier to control that eccentric contraction than it is on the way up. On the way up, it's a little harder. But we can control that eccentric contraction much better. When you're going down, make sure that your chest touches first and not the hips. So we don't want hips coming down like this. We want everything nice and level. Chest touches first, reset. And so if we can't do perfect push-ups, let's back it down to our eccentric push-ups. And then every 2 weeks or so, recheck yourself. If we can then do perfect push-ups, awesome, let's do that. I would rather you get 2 or 3 perfect push-ups than 2 or 3 good ones and 7 sloppy ones. Okay, so we're just trying to get to that base where we can get a few good push-ups and build on that.